fast-moving fire in Southern California has scorched more than 800 hectares in just 8 hours. It started Monday near a highway and has since forced more than 1,000 people from their homes in Riverside and Orange counties. Maria is now a tropical storm off the eastern U.S. On Tuesday, it caused problems on North Carolina's Outer Banks, where about 10,000 visitors were told to leave because of storm surge. Hurricane Maria's impact on Puerto Rico is now becoming a humanitarian issue. The military is bringing in supplies, but many areas are still dealing with no electricity, fuel, or running water. Food and medicine are also in short supply. Finally, severe thunderstorms have swept across parts of northern Ontario this week. Similar weather is expected in southern Quebec Wednesday ahead of a major cool down. Details on that coming up. Stay with us.
Millions remain without power across Puerto Rico as the damage from Hurricane Maria becomes realer each day. Roads have been washed away or blocked by debris. A major dam remains close to collapse, prompting the evacuation of 70,000 people. Tremors continued to unsettle people across southern Mexico this weekend. Saturday saw a significant earthquake that killed 2 people. A 5.7 magnitude quake struck off the west coast Sunday morning. There were no reports of damage. Crews worked round the clock, hoping to find survivors from the powerful tremor earlier this week. Over 300 deaths have been reported. We stay in Mexico for our final story, where the Popocatépetl volcano burst to life Sunday. 2 major eruptions sent an ash cloud 2,000 meters high. No evacuations have been ordered. A wildfire has forced more than 400 people from their homes in the Canary Islands. Flames broke out Wednesday and have since burned about 1,000 hectares. To Alberta, where highs were in the single digits again Thursday. It was just 3 degrees in Innisfail during part of the afternoon. Sunshine and much warmer temperatures are on the way. Officials with Parks Canada say the town site in Waterton Lakes National Park has been reopened. The rest of the park remains closed after a wildfire burned across 380 square kilometers of land. And 760 millimeters of rain in just 24 hours. That's the amount that fell in parts of Puerto Rico during Hurricane Maria. The storm flooded entire neighborhoods.
Hurricane Maria has been rapidly intensifying in the Atlantic Ocean. It's sweeping across the Antilles, striking islands still recovering from Hurricane Irma less than 2 weeks ago. Hurricane warnings have been issued for Martinique, Guadeloupe, and Puerto Rico. Typhoon Talon is now a tropical storm after weakening over Japan. Heavy rain triggered a mudslide that took the lives of at least 2 people Sunday. 3 more are missing. And finally, temperatures are dropping across Western Canada, which is why hail was the weather story of the day in Coquitlam, BC Monday. Enough of it fell to cover some streets in the city, almost like snow. This has been Force of Nature. As always, your regional forecast is on the 10s. Your weather story continues in less than 3 minutes. Stay with us.